Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a relaxing, gentle yoga flow. You can use this to wind down at the end of your day, or even on a day when you just need some rest but still want to move your body. If you want to relax, come flow with me. Meet me on your mat in a comfortable seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. Take a moment to shift and adjust, shake it out. Place your palms on your knees or in your lap. Allow your eyes to close and tune into your breath. Notice any sensations you're feeling in your body or in your mind. Accept them. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Drop your jaw and sigh it away. Tune in. As you inhale, blink your eyes open and reach your arms up overhead. Exhale and place your right palm down next to your right hip as you lean over to your right side. Open up the left side of your body. Sweep the left fingertips up and over. Inhale back to center. Exhale, place the left palm down and sweep the right fingertips up and over, opening up the right side of your body. Breathe into this space. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, make your way back to center. Exhale, back to your left side, opening up the right side of the body. You can even come all the way down onto your elbow if you'd like. But keep pressing that right hip into the ground. Inhale, come back to center. Arms reach up overhead. Bring the palms to heart center. Bring the soles of your feet together. Take your knees wide. Shift and adjust, finding your sit bones firmly on the mat. Now lengthen your spine here. And if you'd like, feel free to fold forward, reaching your chest towards your toes, and then letting your upper back round. Deep breath in and out. Open up the hips, release any tension you've been holding on to there. Release your spine. Inhale, gently engage your core and walk your palms back. Help your knees together here. And then make your way onto your hands and knees. Shift and adjust. Maybe finding some shifts side to side. Maybe shifting forward and back. Maybe even taking your body in circles. Notice what feels good in your body right now in this moment. Move in a way that feels good to you. If you're taking those hip circles, go ahead and take them in the opposite direction. Breathing as you move. Make your way back to center. Inhale, drop the belly low, reach the chest high. Exhale, arch the upper back and look through your thighs. Inhale into your cow pose. Exhale into your cat pose. Pause in your next cow pose. As you exhale, turn your chin towards your left shoulder, looking towards your left hip. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale into your cat back. Inhale, come back to center. Send the right leg back behind you, toes touch down, and find some shifts. stretching out the back of your right leg. As you exhale, step the right foot in between your palms. Come onto your fingertips, and as you exhale, send the hips back, straightening out the front leg. Inhale and shift forward, bend the knee. Exhale and shift back. Take a couple more rounds, following your own breath. On your next exhale, pause in your half splits. You can use blocks here if you'd like to support you, folding just as deep as it feels good. Flex the toes towards your nose to feel a little bit more in the back of the right leg. Exhale, point the toes down. Inhale, flex the toes back. Exhale and point them down. Inhale and flex them back. On an inhale, bend the knees and shift forward, coming into your low lunge once more. Engage your core as you reach your arms up high. Bringing your palms to heart center, take a twist towards the right side. You can hook the left elbow onto your right thigh if you'd like. If this is too much, you can always just place the left palm down and reach the right arm up. Exhale as you frame the right foot. Bring the right knee back, coming into your tabletop. Send the left foot back. Toes touch down. Again, find the shifts forward and back or side to side. Notice the sensations in the back of your left leg. As you exhale, step the left foot in between your palms. Coming onto your fingertips, straighten out the front leg, shift the hips back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, bend the knee and shift forward. Exhale into your half splits. One more inhale, coming forward. And this time as you exhale, pause in your half splits. Shift and adjust if you need to. Again, you can always use blocks here if they support you. Flex the toes towards your nose to feel a little bit more in the back of the left leg. You can always tuck the back toes under if you need a little bit of balance and stability. Deep breath in and out. Fold just a little bit more with each exhale. Point the toes down towards your mat. Inhale and flex them back towards your nose. Take a few rounds just like this. On an inhale, bend the knee and shift forward, coming into your low lunge. Engage your core as you reach your arms up high. Bring the palms to heart center and find your twist. You can always hook the right elbow over your left thigh if it feels good in your body, or you can place the right palm down and reach the left arm high. Wherever you are, breathe. Exhale and frame the right foot as you step it back, coming into your tabletop once more. Tuck the toes under, shift the hips up and back, exhale into your downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet, find some movement as you settle into your downward facing dog. Inhale into your high heels, exhale, lower the heels towards your mat. Inhale into your high heels, exhale and lower them down. Breathe, engage your core. Inhale the right leg up. As you exhale, bring the right ankle behind the left wrist, right knee behind the right wrist. Coming into your pigeon pose here, shift your hips so the hip bones are pointing directly down towards your mat. You can stay upright here or lower your upper body as far as it feels good to you. Again, you can always use a block or a bolster or a pillow here to support you. And deepen your breath as you open up your hips. With each exhale, find some softness. Let go just a little bit more. Inhale, come up onto your hands. Shift onto your right hip as you come into a seat. And swing the left leg over your right, stacking your knees as best as you can. Inhale, your arms up. Exhale and fold forward if you'd like. You can always stay upright and place your palms on your knees here. Notice the sensation in your cow-faced legs. On an exhale, plant the palms to your right side. Unravel the legs and step back to your downward dog. Inhale the left leg up. Come into pigeon pose on the opposite side. Left ankle behind the right wrist. Left knee behind the left wrist. Shift your hips to be as square as possible. Inhale, lift your heart. Stay here or lower down onto your forearms or all the way down. Again, find a little bit more softness. Let go a little bit more with each exhale. Deep breath. Inhale, come up onto your palms and take a seat onto your left hip this time. Swing your right leg around, crossing over the left, stacking your knees just as best as you can. And stay upright here, or inhale the arms up, exhale and fold forward if it feels good in your body. Inhale, come up into a seat. Feet flat, knees bent. And exhale as you lower down onto your back. If you have a block, go ahead and grab it and put it next to you. Bringing your heels as close to your glutes. Inhale and lift your hips into your bridge pose. If you would like, here's where that block comes in. You can place it underneath your hips for a supported bridge pose. Engage your core, squeeze the air in between your thighs. Press down through your shoulders and through your feet. As you exhale, lower down one vertebrae at a time. Remove the block. Hug your knees into your chest. Roll side to side or forward and back. As you exhale, lower both knees over to the left side. Extend the right arm out to the right. Turn your chin towards your right shoulder. You can always place the left palm on top of your right thigh if you'd like. A gentle spinal twist here. Inhale as you bring your knees back through center. Exhale them to the opposite side. Again, the right palm can always support your left thigh if you'd like. Extend the left arm out to the left and turn the chin towards your left shoulder. Inhale your way back to center and give yourself another big squeeze. Extend your legs out long, let your feet fall open. Arms beside you, palms facing up. Inhale, and as you exhale, open your mouth and melt into your mat for your final resting pose. Stay here as long as you'd like. If you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bend your knees and roll over onto one side. Pause here for a breath or two. When you're ready, press yourself up into a seat, any comfortable seat. Bring your palms to heart center. Deep breath in one more time. Drop your jaw and let it all go. Namaste. I hope you're feeling a little bit more relaxed after practicing that flow. If you enjoyed this flow, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to share this video so that more people can find it and more people can relax. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. As always, the mat I was practicing on, the clothing I'm wearing, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below in case you're interested. For more relaxing yoga flows, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find Yin Yoga and Vinyasa Yoga flows on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.